So a few days ago, a caretaker got in touch with me and told me about a tree recently came down on the schoolyard. This was a big willow tree came down in a storm. So I went there right away to take a look what's salvageable from it. Unfortunately, they called the tree surgeon to take care of it, and he chopped up most of it to short pieces. Even though there was a huge pile of wood, I managed to save only 2 pieces. So after a bit of preparation work, I'm gonna start milling a small silver birch log. Not this one though, I just cut this off for firewood. And then straight after the birch, I'm gonna start milling the 2 willow logs. I wanted to talk about a few other things as well. I'm going to change the way I run my YouTube channel. I enjoy making videos, but running a YouTube channel so far had hardly any benefits to me. I'm not gonna waste my time with things that takes an awful lot of time and doesn't make any financial sense. So the only way to carry on with this channel for me, if I base my video subjects around a profitable activity. And if it doesn't work out, the future of my channel might be questionable. But I will try my best to keep the videos coming. I have goals to achieve and I want to be 100% fully committed to them. So this is the bigger willow log I'm cutting. Unfortunately, it's not very long, barely a meter, and the width of it is just below half a meter. I will manage to get 6 slabs out of it. 5 of them is 2-inch thick, and one of them, I think it's about 30 mil. And at least 3 of them is a decent size for a coffee table. I never been working with willow before. I like the look of it, that's for sure. Feels a bit lighter and softer than silver birch.